Hey guys, welcome to another video. So we got three stocks on watch: MBIO and SONN and LGPS. But I'm more focused on MBIO. It looked the best to me, and potentially SONN, but MBIO is the top leading gainer. Hopefully this holds up. Hopefully it holds up because this have a tendency to go up and then fall off afterwards. So you ready? Let me close this. Anyway, so let's lock in. Why is that still making noise? Oh, that's what it was. But anyway, so yeah, let's lock in. Holding up pretty well. Okay, nice. That's a nice squeeze. Got some short squeeze. Almost halted. So let's see. Next candle's opening up in a couple of seconds. I don't really like that pullback. But let's wait till everything aligns. Let's check out SOON. This is dropping as well. Yeah, this is dropping as well, so no traders yet. Let's see what this is looking like. Everything is dropping. I guess it's because we just new week. Everyone is making move, buying and selling. And it could be because tariff talk. Let's see what the SPY is doing. This thing is acting up. Come on, man. Okay, so this is dropping as well. Let's see if we hold up. The overall market been doing very well recently, but because of tariff talks, we might see some pullbacks. And that's probably what's happening with the rest of the other stocks that we're looking at. Let's see. I'll potentially get an entry, retest the high of 407 if we can get 407 locked in. Look like it's a lot of selling though. So I'm sitting on my hands. I'm actually not gonna take any trades on it until everything lines up on my end. Everything is not fully lined up as yet, so we'll just keep a watch on these stocks. Let's see if I could open up Chrome. Got a little bit of a lag situation on my end. But hopefully, oh my god. Okay, I took an entry. Can we continue? Can we get a continuation? Average is 12. I was gonna sell afterwards, but let's see. If we okay, it's pushing back. I was gonna sell for the profit, but didn't. Let's see if we get a continuation. Oh, missed my entry. I was gonna enter back at 7 again. Re-entered. Average is 18. Nice. And I'm at, well, let me take partial. I took 75%. Now break even on the rest. Average is 418. That was a good entry, good exit. Now break even on the rest. Can we get a continuation? I'm gonna take off another 75 and break even on the rest. Nice. We're getting a pullback. Can we hold? All right, so close. So $269 on that trade. That was a good entry. Even though I was trying to enter back at my original entry, which was I think it was 307, if I'm not mistaken. I forgot what it was. It was like 30, oh no, 407. Sorry, it was 407 original entry, but I was still a good entry because we got the follow through. Let's see if we could potentially get another trade. Got a nice little pullback. We got some buyers here. Let's see. This time I'll enter with a smaller size to just protect my profit. So I'll try to enter break off 450. Let's see. It's a lot of selling pressure right here. You can see these sellers lined up, putting pressure on the stock. So if we can get a push above like 445, new entry. It looked like it's getting a little bit weak. A 445 my entry. There's a big seller right there. I'm not sure. If we can hold levels here. I'm still interested in 445, 447. If we can hold up strong within these range, I'll be a little bit more open to the idea. There's a lot of selling going on. This looks like it might fall. Yeah, it's gonna fall. I can just tell. It's a lot of selling pressure. If we can break this low, I think it's like 408. 408, 406. I would take the shorts, but I don't think there's any shares available. Let me see. Trying to see if there's any shares available. Okay, so I can't find any shares. There's no shares available. If we it looked like it's slowing down. I do believe if we can break up below these levels, We might get a bounce after testing it, but I feel like it's trying to break down. I feel like we have support down here, like around 4 and around like 380, 372. So you have to definitely be careful as well. Okay, look like price is holding up. But I feel like up here, there's some hidden sellers up here. I just feel it, especially at 50. Let's see if there's anything moving. No, just MBIO. Sellers are piling up. Buyers are back in. See, big sellers piling up at 40. If we retest 50, I feel like it's gonna push down. See these sellers trying to push it down, but let's see. Buyers are still there though. And you can see the volume is kind of decreasing a little bit. Okay, let's see. We're heading towards 50, it look like. Yeah, it's over. This is going down. Let's see. If we can't reclaim that 50, it's a lot of heavy selling. All right, so we're gonna do it. Yeah, it's gonna go. Let's see. Pull back. Yeah, it's got some buyers there. So I'm not gonna take any more trades. I did make my daily goal more than my daily goal. So I'm just gonna just be watching the price action for now. I feel like when this is ready to drop, it's gonna drop. Okay, so I'm done for the day. Made $269 on the day. My daily goal. Call it a day, even though we're getting a little bit of a short squeeze, which is nice. But we're gonna call it a day. Tomorrow's another day. And I was only trading for what, 10 minutes? That's great. Nice short squeeze. Another green day, $269 on a day. My daily goal. Did leave some money on the table, but that's perfectly fine. Come on, guys, come eat with me. Join that Discord. Free watch list, all that good stuff. Calling it a day, made $269. Ugh. Calling it a day, made $269 on the day. Did leave some money on the $269 on a day, which is more than my daily goal. Did leave some money on the table, but that's perfectly fine. We'll live to trade another day. I've only been trading for like 10 minutes now. Come on, guys, come eat with me. Join that Discord. Free watch list. And we get to... Damn, squeezing. 269 on the day. More than my daily goal, which I'm grateful for. Did leave some money on the table. Short squeezing right now. We can live to trade another day. And I was only trading... $269 on the day, more than my daily goal. Did leave some money on the table. Perfectly fine. We'll live to trade another day. And I was only trading for only like 10 minutes. Great. Come on, guys. Join the Discord where I select win. Damn, short squeeze. $269 on the day, more than my daily goal. I did leave some profit on the table, but that's perfectly fine. We have a short squeeze. And I only been trading for like 10 minutes now. So we'll live to trade it for another day. Come join the Discord, guys, where we pick out winners like this each and every day. Don't miss out. Gang. Yo, me dopes. Hey. Daddy. Ryan. Huh?